Are you ready to have your mind blown? What if I told you that everything you think you know about your phone's battery is wrong? You've been using your phone for years, but you're making critical mistakes every single day that are secretly murdering its battery life. Most people have no idea, but with just a few simple tweaks that take less than 5 minutes, you can literally double your phone's battery life. Forget buying a new battery. Forget carrying around a clunky power bank. In this video, I'm going to expose the hidden culprits draining your power and show you how to unlock hours, maybe even days, of extra battery life. Get ready to ditch that charger and experience true phone freedom. All right, let's jump right into the biggest battery killer of them all, and it's probably not what you think. It's not your screen brightness, and it's not even your Wi-Fi. It's background app refresh. Sounds boring, right? Wrong. This is the silent assassin. Imagine dozens of apps constantly running in the background, checking for updates, syncing data, using your location, even when you're not using them. It's like having a party in your phone that you weren't invited to, and it's draining your battery like crazy. So here's what you're going to do right now. Grab your phone. If you're on an iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then Background App Refresh. Look at that list. Horrifying, right? You have two choices. Turn it off completely at the top, which is the nuclear option for maximum battery saving, or go through the list and toggle off every single app that doesn't absolutely need to be updated in the background. Do you really need your photo editor or that game you played once to be refreshing constantly? Nope. For Android users, it's a bit different depending on your phone, but generally you'll go to Settings, then Apps, select an app, and look for battery or mobile data and Wi-Fi to restrict its background activity. Just doing this one thing can give you an extra 30–40% battery life. It's insane. Now for secret number 2, and this one is all about your screen. Everyone says, turn down your brightness. Duh, we know that. But the real game changer is dark mode. If your phone has an OLED or AMOLED screen, which most modern phones do, including most iPhones and Samsung Galaxy models, using dark mode isn't just a cool aesthetic choice, it's a battery-saving superpower. On an OLED screen, black pixels are literally turned off. They consume zero power. So, the more black you have on your screen, the less energy your phone uses. When you switch to dark mode, your interface, your apps, everything goes dark, and your battery savings skyrocket. To turn it on, just go to your display settings and toggle on dark mode. It's that easy, and it looks super sleek too. You'll be shocked at how much longer your phone lasts, especially if you spend a lot of time on social media or reading articles. Okay, let's talk about a sneaky little vampire, location services. Your phone's GPS is one of the most power-hungry components inside it. Many apps request access to your location and then just keep tracking you 24/7, even when you're not using them. It's not just a privacy concern, it's a massive battery drain. Here's the fix. Go into your phone's settings, find location services, or simply location. You'll see a list of all the apps that have permission. Don't just leave them be. Go through them one by one. For most apps, you should change the permission from always to while using the app. For apps that have no business knowing where you are, like a simple calculator or a game, just turn their location access off completely. Be ruthless. Your weather app needs your location, sure, but does that puzzle game? Absolutely not. This small audit will plug a huge power leak you didn't even know you had. Moving on to our 4th tip, and this one involves notifications. Every single time your phone buzzes or your screen lights up with a notification, it uses power. It might seem small, but think about it. How many notifications do you get in an hour? 100? 200? It adds up fast. Every single like, every email, every news alert is a tiny sip from your battery. Over a day, those sips turn into a huge gulp. The solution is to take control. Go into your notification settings and turn off push notifications for all non-essential apps. Be honest with yourself. Do you really need to be alerted the second someone posts a story? Probably not. Keep notifications for important things like messages, calls, and your calendar. For everything else, social media, games, shopping apps, turn them off. You can still see the updates when you open the app, but your phone won't be constantly screaming for your attention and draining its battery in the process. This creates a more peaceful day and a much happier battery. And for our final, ultimate battery-saving secret, let's talk about charging habits. You've probably heard a lot of myths, like you need to let your battery die completely before charging it. That's old advice for old batteries. For modern lithium-ion batteries, it's actually harmful. The sweet spot for your battery is to keep it between 20% and 80%. Don't let it drop to zero, and don't charge it to 100% and leave it plugged in overnight. That full charge and the heat from overcharging puts stress on the battery, degrading its health over time. Most phones now have an optimized battery charging feature. Make sure it's turned on. It learns your routine and will charge your phone to 80%, then wait to finish the last 20% right before you usually wake up. This massively extends the long-term health and daily life of your battery. So the new rule is, short, frequent charges are better than one long, full charge. Try to unplug it around 80–90% whenever you can. So there you have it. 5 simple, powerful secrets to instantly double your phone's battery life. We've tackled background app refresh, unlocked the power of dark mode, tamed location services, silenced unnecessary notifications, and mastered smart charging habits. These aren't just minor tweaks. They are fundamental changes that will revolutionize how you use your phone. I challenge you to implement all of them right now and see the difference for yourself. You'll go from frantically searching for an outlet by 3 p.m. to cruising through your entire day, and maybe even the next, on a single charge. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help you reclaim your freedom from the charger. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and smash that like button and subscribe for more tips that will change the way you use your tech. Let me know in the comments which tip surprised you the most and how much extra battery life you're getting. Stay charged, and I'll see you in the next video.